Ditch the chaos, your all-in-one agency solution. Tired of juggling a dozen different tools to run your agency? Me too. It's 2025 and there's a better way. GoHighLevel is the only platform you need to land clients, crush campaigns, and scale your agency like never before. We're talking about replacing your CRM, email marketing, funnel builder, appointment scheduler, and more, all under one roof. That means less headaches, more efficiency, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. GoHighLevel is the secret weapon for agencies who are ready to streamline their operations and focus on what really matters, delivering exceptional results for clients. Forget about duct taping together a Frankensteinian system. GoHighLevel gives you everything you need to look like a pro from day one. Let's dive into how this all works in the new world of agency domination. Trust me, it's about to get good. The 2025 agency playbook $300 plus per client on autopilot. The old agency model is dead. You know it, I know it. Churn and burn tactics just don't cut it anymore. It's time to embrace the future recurring revenue, high-value clients, and systems that practically run themselves. That's the beauty of the 2025 agency model. Imagine this, you land a client, build them a killer sales funnel on GoHighLevel that brings in a steady stream of leads, and automate the entire onboarding process. They're blown away by the results, happily paying you $300, $500, even $1,000 every single month. And the best part? You can scale this model to the moon without breaking a sweat. No more trading time for money. GoHighLevel empowers you to build a sustainable, profitable agency that generates consistent income. This isn't a pipe dream, folks. This is the reality of what's possible with the right tools and strategies in place. 3 clicks to success building your first funnel. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Building high-converting funnels is the backbone of any successful agency, and with GoHighLevel, it's easier than ever. We're talking about a 3-click process that even your grandma could handle. Forget about complicated coding or clunky interfaces. GoHighLevel's drag-and-drop editor makes funnel building a breeze. Choose from a library of proven templates, customize them to match your client's brand, and hit publish. It's really that simple. In the following sections, we'll break down each step in detail, providing real-life examples to get your creative juices flowing. Step 1. Landing page lightning. Capture leads in style. First impressions matter. Your landing page is the first thing potential customers see, so it needs to grab their attention and compel them to take action. Luckily, GoHighLevel has you covered. Start by selecting a template that aligns with your client's industry and goals. Then, customize the headline, copy, and images to create a high-converting masterpiece. Don't forget to include a clear call to action that tells visitors exactly what you want them to do, whether it's downloading a lead magnet, booking a consultation, or making a purchase. Remember, your landing page should be clean, concise, and laser-focused on driving conversions. Section 5. Step 2. The offer they can't refuse. Crafting magnetic value. Now that you've captured your audience's attention, it's time to present them with an offer they simply can't refuse. This is where your funnel starts to work its magic. Think about your client's ideal customer and their pain points. What problems can you solve for them? What solutions can you provide that will make their lives easier, better, or more enjoyable? Your offer could be anything from a free ebook or webinar to a discounted product bundle or an exclusive coaching program. The key is to create something valuable that your target audience will be eager to get their hands on. Section 6. Step 3. Sealing the deal. Automated payment and onboarding. You've got the leads, you've presented the offer, now it's time to close the deal and welcome new clients with open arms. GoHighLevel makes this process seamless with its automated payment and onboarding features. Integrate your client's preferred payment gateway, set up automated invoices and payment reminders, and create a smooth onboarding sequence that welcomes new clients, delivers on your promises, and sets the stage for a long-term relationship. By automating these crucial steps, you free up your time to focus on what you do best, delivering exceptional results and scaling your agency. Section 7. AI to the rescue. Conquering client communication. Let's face it, client communication can be a real time suck, but what if you could automate a big chunk of it without sacrificing that personal touch? That's where AI texting comes in. GoHighLevel's AI texting feature allows you to automate appointment reminders, answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and even handle objections. all while maintaining a natural conversational tone. Imagine never having to miss another appointment or chase down a lead again. With AI texting, you can provide instant support, nurture relationships, and boost your conversion rates all on autopilot. Section 8. Unlocking the Upsell Vortex. Watch your profits soar. Ready to take your agency's revenue to the stratosphere? Enter the Upsell Vortex. This powerful strategy is all about maximizing your client lifetime value by offering irresistible upsells and cross-sells at strategic points in their journey. GoHighLevel makes it easy to create automated upsell sequences that trigger based on specific actions or purchases. For example, let's say a client purchases a basic website package. You can automatically offer them an upsell for SEO optimization or social media management. By implementing the Upsell Vortex, you can significantly increase your average order value and generate more revenue from your existing clients, all without lifting a finger. So there you have it, folks. GoHighLevel gives you the tools, strategies, and support you need to build a wildly successful digital marketing agency in 2025 and beyond. Are you ready to join the revolution? Head over to GoHighLevel today and sign up for a free trial. You won't regret it. For even more tips, tricks, and resources to help you dominate the agency game, check out our blog and YouTube channel. The future of your agency starts now. Welcome to Scene 9: Advanced Automation Techniques. As your agency scales, managing the growing workload can become challenging. That's where advanced automation techniques come in. Learn how to automate your agency's workflow to save time and increase efficiency. This chapter will cover advanced automation strategies and tools that can help you streamline your processes and focus on growing your business. From automating client onboarding to setting up automated email sequences, we'll show you how to leverage technology to do the heavy lifting. Imagine freeing up hours each week that you can reinvest into strategy, client relationships, and business development. We'll dive into tools like CRM systems, project management software, and advanced marketing automation platforms. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a robust automation blueprint that will allow your agency to operate like a well-oiled machine. So buckle up and get ready to take your agency's efficiency to the next level. The future of streamlined operations starts now. Welcome to Scene 10, Scaling Your Agency to New Heights. As your agency grows, it's crucial to adopt best practices for managing increased client loads and boosting your revenue. In this chapter, we'll delve into the strategies for scaling your agency effectively. First, we'll explore the nuances of hiring the right talent. Discover how to identify candidates who not only fit your agency's culture, but also bring the skills needed to elevate your business. Next, we'll cover the essentials of training and onboarding your new team members, ensuring they are equipped to deliver top-notch service from day one. Managing a larger team comes with its own set of challenges. We'll share proven techniques for effective team management, including how to foster a positive work environment and keep your team motivated and productive. Maintaining quality and client satisfaction is paramount as you scale. Learn how to implement quality control processes that ensure your service remains consistent, no matter how many clients you take on. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to scale your agency sustainably, keeping both your team and clients happy. Get ready to watch your agency grow and thrive like never before. The journey to scaling success starts now.